The 98 Ford Contour, got a 5.9 Cummins Ztec engine. KC lights. Cletus Klansman's gonna take you for an interior overview. What do you think, buddy?
Mike, I think I need a 10 on you.
I think, okay. Fuck. Yeah. Five-speed live. 100EX in the back. Damn, dude, look all the water in the spark plugs. Ooh, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking disgusting.
Leaves and shit. Alright, we need a vacuum cleaner.
What the hell, dude?
No wonder she's missing a little bit.
Yeah.
90-degree side pipe on the Contour with the Harbor Freight welds on it. Looks real good with some nice wire. Courtesy of Cletus Klansman and Marcus Beerman. Got all the water out of the spark plugs. Almost ready to cold start this diesel, even though it has spark plugs.
Dude, I've never seen a car with a pipe out it look by before.
Right?
Banging off the rev limiter once.
Mild cambener.
Like, I don't care shit. Cap back on?
Nah, let it bleed out there. Yee, buddy. Yee, buddy. A little bit of tightening on the e-brake.
0
I
to
don't know,
60
we can go out
on
the fucking
road,
field.
sketch. We're gonna start the Kia.
I just want to see this thing overheating.
Take her out in the 40, dude, and
Bounce
give
her
her
off
a
the
ray
rev
of
limiter a little
bomb. She's a diesel though, so we gotta be careful.
Like grabs a little bit. Kia. That's a good
The
tire.
shifter's so much tighter.
Oh yeah. Oh,
It goes at Wilbur.
knocky, ride knocky. Holy fuck.
Go the, I was gonna go the other way around. Right to the fence. Mash the accelerator.
Right?
There's pretty deep snow.
Oh yeah. Little bit of a power steering cry, but not a big deal. Unlike the Kia, the Contour actually has traction, which is very nice for getting through the snow. Don't worry, boys, we JB welded the spark plugs in, so no worries. The Contour is also running on that Japanese 135 octane with the Japanese to American air converter. So she's very nice. We're shitty, bud.
Wheel bearing carnage. Wheel bearing sounded horrible.
Hell yeah, boys. We're doing a whole lap in reverse. He's overheating? Oh, dick.